In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Excel data source path in Power BI. If you've ever moved an Excel file to a new folder, received an updated copy from a teammate, or reorganized your project, you may find that your Power BI report can't find the data anymore. The good news is you don't need to rebuild anything. You can simply update the path Power BI uses to find that Excel file. Start by opening Power BI Desktop on your computer. Once it's open, load the report where you want to update the connection. With the report on screen, look at the upper ribbon and make sure you're on the Home tab. From there, click Transform Data. In the Transform options, choose Data Source Settings. This opens a window that lists the data connections used in your report. In this window, you'll see your current Excel data source listed, along with the file path Power BI is using. This is a great moment to confirm you're looking at the right connection, especially if your report pulls from multiple sources. If the path is outdated or the file was relocated, we're going to point Power BI to the new location. Click Change Source. A dialog will appear that lets you provide a new file reference. Click Browse and navigate to the new Excel file you want to use. Select it like you would any file on your computer. When you've picked the correct workbook, click OK to confirm your selection. Power BI will now update the connection to use the new file path. Behind the scenes, it keeps your existing queries, transformations, and visuals intact and simply reads the data from the new location. If the new workbook has the same structure, such as the same sheet names, table names, and column headers, everything should refresh smoothly. If something doesn't match, you may see errors in your visuals or queries, which is a sign to check that the new file mirrors the original layout. A few quick tips to keep things running smoothly. Try to keep the workbook closed while Power BI connects. To avoid file locks, store your data files in a consistent, accessible folder so you don't have to update paths frequently. When replacing files, keep table and sheet names the same to avoid breaking steps in your queries. And that's it. You've updated the Excel data source path in Power BI without changing your report design. This small adjustment can save a lot of time whenever files move or get replaced.